In this era of social media that we are in, it would seem that you have more opportunities than ever to exercise your freedom of speech. But sometimes we can forget about the consequence of free speech. We're joined by attorney Jimmy Purcell to talk about why sometimes this can come back to hurt people, especially when you talk about consumers. So tell me what happened here with the reviews on Yelp that led to actual fines.
Right. The Yelp case, and there are a couple of them that are floating around. What you're dealing with there is a breach of contract, and that's the nature of the action. It's not so much a basis strictly out of the content of the speech. The biggest lie told today on the internet is, I have read and agree to the terms and conditions when you click through.
Right.
And so that's what's going on with the Yelp reviews, is that there are terms and conditions that are included, that the businesses are included, that make it a violation of the contract to post negative reviews on Yelp or any other kind of review site. And when that happens, what the business owners are doing is suing under a breach of contract and seeking a penalty. It's a contractual penalty.
Okay, so this is the world we're in today, though. Anyone can jump onto a website like Yelp and they can put in their review of a business. They can be disparaging. Where's the line crossed?
The line gets crossed, and you really have two different circumstances. One is where you have the non-disparagement included in the terms and conditions.
This is something you actually click or sign before you put your comment in. Is that what you're saying?
Well, no, what I'm saying is, and this is almost unique to internet businesses, so that you have an internet site, Amazon.com or any other of the e-retailers, and before you order, you have to click and agree to the retailer's terms and conditions. And part of those terms and conditions are, you will not disparage us when you go to a website like Yelp.
After the fact.
And that's where you get in trouble there. For brick and mortar stores where you don't have those types of terms and conditions restrictions, you really cross the line when you get into the level of business defamation. If what you're saying in a Yelp review and you don't have any terms and conditions that restrict your ability to say anything is absolutely true, there's no liability for that.
Okay.
If you post something that's false or misleading, then there can be liability for that.
It's a new world we're in for consumers. Attorney Jimmy Purcell, you represent businesses and consumers. If someone wants to get a hold of you,
Jennings Strouss and Salmon is my law firm, jsslaw.com.
All right, sounds good. Thanks again. We appreciate you helping to explain some of this. Ahead on